Guys, Nikki Lindsay here, back with another video. So today I am bringing you the spider trend tutorial for a nice, simple kind of Halloween look. I'm just gonna jump right into this tutorial. I'm gonna start off with my brows. I just spoolie my brows, and I'm taking the Benefit Bravo Conditioning Primer. This is just a primer to help condition your brows. I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in the color Walnut. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin to get it over with. I'm using the Cover FX a blurring primer. I love this primer. It smooths out your skin so your foundation goes on so smooth. I'm going to take this knockoff Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. I'm going to take the color that you obviously can see that is beat me down. I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this color. I'm going to go in with the Ulta Contour Kit. And I'm going to be taking that bronzer shade right above the darker shade, and I'm going to use this color as my transitional color. I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 pencil in the color 0. Listen, I forgot. I don't know how I forgot so quick that I put concealer on my eyes. So I'm here trying to put this as a base, which is not going to work. I'm going to go in with my Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking that Noir color, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend out those harsh edges of the black into that brown. We're just doing a really dark black smoky eye for this look. I'm adding more black to my eyelid, bringing up a little higher in the crease area. Now I'm taking the color Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette, and I am putting that into my transition as well, just to darken it up. Now I'm taking that white cream shade, I believe it's called Tempura. All the names will be in my description box, but I'm putting that on my brow bone. A Halloween look is not complete without a light colored matte brow bone highlight. Now I'm just taking this Bounce Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. This color is a little bit dark for me, as you will see in the video. So I have to find my right color, but this foundation is so bomb. This is just a little sample size that I just got from my job as gratis. So, you know, just watch as I blend this stuff in. It is a little bit darker, like I said, but it all works out in the end. Ooh, look at that. This is like a summer color for me, completely. Now I'm going to highlight, take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 30 Cafe, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Concealer in C12 and dab a little bit of that on top, just to give me a brighter highlight. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills blending sponge, and I'm going to blend out those highlighted areas. Now we're blended, y'all. We're blended. Look at that. Now I'm going to take my Black Radiance Loose Banana Powder and just set my highlighted areas. I don't bake. I just literally tap it and dust it and set it. Now I'm taking my Black Radiance powder in the color Ebony, and I'm putting that all over my face. That's an all over face powder. I use the color Black Coffee as a contour color. And it also has a nice reddish hue, so it acts as a nice bronze color as well, bronzer color. Next, I'm going to go in and contour my nose a little bit. I need this nose snatched. Now I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Highliner Pencil in the color Black Pure. I'm using this on my waterline. This is a great pencil. It is, I believe it's waterproof. It does not smudge at all. And I'm taking the Noir color and just setting that underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with this Makeup Forever Artist Pencil. Now we're going to start with the tentacles. With the legs, spider legs, I'm sorry. Don't overthink this when you're doing it, because I definitely overthought it when I did this eye. Do not overthink. You just want to draw the legs in like a L kind of shape. So the first two are the antennas. The second one, just watch. Just don't overthink it. Like, that's my number one thing. This is easy. This is as easy as it seems. If you overthink this whole thing, you're gonna mess up. Because I overthought it on this eye, literally. But I'm just looking at a reference picture of a recreated look. I'm taking the pencil first because I want to map it out. They don't have to be perfect because this is a Halloween look and these are spider legs. So, you know, spider legs are kind of funky. They don't have to be perfect. They don't. I'm drawing 3 legs on each, but I've seen so many reference pictures where they draw like 4. So I draw 3 right now, but I go in at the end and I add another set of legs. Now I'm going in with a liquid liner and I'm just going over the pencil marks now that I feel, you know, confident about it. This is just the NYC liquid liner. I've realized that the marker was not doing me justice, the eyeliner. So I'm just taking a fine tip brush, dipping it into the eyeliner, and then using that to go over the pencil marks, which worked out so much better. Like I said, don't overthink it. This is a Halloween look. You don't want it to be like too perfect. Like, just do you. Now I'm going in with the Cypress Under and I'm adding shadow to the legs. Literally take a small brush and you're going to draw like a nice shadow underneath the leg. Kind of going in a straight formation. You don't want to add too much, just a little bit. This is going to give the 3D effect to the legs as if it's walking on your face. So just lightly, you can see I'm just lightly shading the Cypress Umber. So I'm going from point to point. Now I'm going in with a fluffier brush and I'm adding just a little bit of black to the Cypress Umber, just literally a tiny bit, just to deepen up the shadow. I switched brushes because I thought this one was a little bit more easier. Now after you do all your shadows, you have to add a highlight. So I'm using this white liquid eyeliner from Palladio, I believe, and I'm adding highlights to the legs. You don't have to add as much highlight as I did, but I kind of like this look. It gives the spider legs more depth. So I'm just adding it literally to like the 2 points and in the middle. Like I said, it's a Halloween look, guys. You don't want it to be too perfect. Now, I decided to do the spider on the other eye. I did forget to say I did take black and I put the black at the tip of the legs just to make it look like the spider legs were sitting. Now I'm taking a green eyeshadow from Coastal Scents. I don't remember the name, but I'll put it in the description box down below. And I'm adding that to my waterline. Now for my lips, I'm going in with the Makeup Forever pencil. And I'm just gonna line my lips just a little bit, actually a lot. I'm gonna take the black shadow and place it on my lips. This is gonna be kind of messy, so I'm going over my natural lip line and everything. Literally just shading the lips. Now I'm going in and drawing the spider legs coming out of my mouth. Same thing I did for the eyes, I'm doing for the mouth. Now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild's Bozzy paint that I got from Rite Aid for $2.99, and I'm going to attempt to draw a spider web down my neck. I should have made the spider web longer, but hey, you don't have to do this. You can wear like a black turtleneck. You can do whatever costume you want to wear, but I just didn't have anything at the moment, so I just wanted to keep up with the theme and do the spider web. This body paint was actually pretty good for it being so cheap, $2.99, but if you do buy Wet n Wild, just make sure you set it, please. I'm going in with the white eyeliner again and drawing just a little bit more highlight, just to give this spider web some depth. So here is the final look of this spider trend. Let me know what you guys think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!